She walks into a room, and before you even see what she's wearing, you feel it. No big logos, no proud colors, just calm. Sofia Richie is one of the most talked about women in style right now. And today we're going to look at the whole picture. Her outfits, her hair, her skin, how she carries herself. Because there is something real here that you can use. If you've been on the internet at all, you know her look. White t-shirt, simple jeans, flat shoes that looks more expensive than most heels. She started her own clothing line. She just signed a big deal with a French brand. And every time she shows up somewhere, millions of people talk about it. But here is the moment I want to start with. She went to a wedding in France and she showed up in a bright blue dress. A big, bold blue dress. This woman who never wears colors showed up wearing colors. And this is exactly why she is our first episode. Because the woman who always keeps it simple, she is the most interesting one when she does something different. Let's talk about what she wears. Most of her clothes are plain colors. White, cream, tan, dark blue, black. No big prints, no logos, nothing fighting for your eyes. And keeping it simple is actually really hard to do well. Here is why it works. When almost everything you wear is calm and quiet, the one time you wear something bold, people remember it. That blue dress hit hard because nothing else she wears prepared you for it. This is not luck. She planned that, even if she did not know she was planning it. Before I talk about her body, I need to say something because I know what some people are going to think. Body type rules. This is old. This is limiting. Just wear what you want. And I hear that. I really do. For a long time, the fashion world told women their body were wrong. Too big here, too small here, hide this, cover that. That was harmful, and people are pushing back on it now. Good. But here is what I want you to know. Knowing your body type is not about saying you cannot wear something. It's about helping you understand how to wear it so it looks amazing on you. Clothes are made by people. Fabric falls in different ways on different bodies. This is just how it works. It's not a rule someone made up. It is how clothes behave. Knowing your body type is like having a map. A map doesn't tell you where you cannot go. It just helps you to get where you are going without getting lost. You can wear anything, but knowing your body helps you wear it on purpose, not by accident. This is the difference between I think this looks okay and I know why this looks great on me. That second one is what we are building towards. Sofia has a lean, straight body. She is tall. Her hips and shoulders are close to the same width. She does not have a lot of curves, and her clothes work really well for that. The fitted shape pieces gives her body some definition. The high-waisted pants make her waist look smaller. Wearing one color from head to toe makes her even taller. What would not work on her, big, baggy pieces with no shape at all. If she wore a huge oversized jacket and big wide leg pants with no fitted pieces anywhere, the outfit would just swallow her. Nothing to hold it together. Even that blue dress worked because it was light fabric and it tied at the waist. Something heavy and stiff would overwhelm her entire frame. If your body is also lean and straight, here is what works for you. 1, wear clothes that fit your body, not tight, just fitted. Clothes that follow your shape instead of hiding it. 2, try wearing the same color on top and bottom. It makes you look taller and the outfit looks more put together. 3, do not be scared of structure. A blazer, a fitted top, a shaped dress. Straight bodies look amazing in things with shape. Soft, loose, flowy pieces can make you disappear into the fabric. Give the clothes some shape and your body gets some too. Most people talk about the clothes, but I want to talk about what is underneath them. Her hair looks easy, like she just let it air dry and walked out. It is not easy. That shine, that healthy look, that comes from taking care of your hair every single day. Not one good wash, a real routine. Her skin is the same. Very little makeup, clean brows, skin that looks like skin. And here's the truth. The clothes only look as good as they do because her skin and her hair are already taken care of. That part is invisible when it is working and very obvious when it's not. And then there is something you cannot buy at any store. She does not rush for the camera. She does not try hard. She moves slow. She stands still. She looks comfortable. This is what calm looks like on the outside. And it makes everything she wears look better. You can wear the perfect outfit, and if you look nervous or rushed, it will not land the same way. This part comes from the inside. Here is my verdict. Keep her simple, her plain wardrobe. It is the whole reason her look works. It is why people recognize her style before they even see her face. Tweaks. The times she wears big prints or big texture all over, it works best when it is just one piece. When two bold things are in the same outfit, it gets too busy. Toss. Nothing big this episode. She is the example, the one everyone gets compared to. Here is the big idea. Basics comes first. The statement piece comes second. Most women go shopping for the exciting pieces, the fun top, the cool bag, before they have the simple, good basic that makes that piece look amazing. Get the basic right first. The plain, the fitted, the simple, and the one bold piece on top of that, oh baby, it will stop people in their tracks. You do not need her closet. You need her order of operation. If you want help finding what works for your body and your style, this is what I help women do. One-on-one image consulting. Link is in the description. Next week, we will be talking about Hailey Bieber. She built a beauty brand out of one simple idea. And I want to show you how to use the same idea in your own life. See you then.